In a sunlit studio, a linguist discovers an uncanny talent for translating animal vocalizations into abstract sculpture. By recording parrots to bats, they map each pitch and cadence to color and texture, turning sound into form. The breakthrough came when a stray melody rode the wind, revealing patterns the artist could sculpt in wood and stone. Humor slips in as the creator admits a stubborn parrot once dictated a sculpture's shape. Each piece invites viewers to listen deeply, tracing calls to color from noise to quiet and wonder for all.